Good morning. I just got inspired this morning to give a little video tutorial on how to apply Beautycounter clean makeup. I learned this weekend from Emily Barton and I am so excited to share with you. So first of all, I wanted to say what she told us all, and I so believe in, is that if you have really clean, clear, healthy skin, then you really don't need a lot of makeup, you know that. But we can always be the best versions of ourselves. And if you use Beautycounter products and combine it with any other skincare that you absolutely love, and you eat well, you sleep, you take care of yourself, your skin is going to be healthy and vibrant. So I'm going to show you a few things that I learned. First of all, we love this concealer, and this is the Twin Skin Concealer. And how we apply it would be to go around, and this is a really great trick, around the inside of your eye, all the way out like a smile. And this is gonna give the, kind of open up the eye, and when you're applying it, you could use a better blender. And this is, you just dot it on, you don't rub it, just dot, 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 all the way up. And this immediately is going to be a huge trick. You can do this and your eyes are going to look a little bit brighter, more open, and you won't look as tired or sallow. As you get older, your eyes sort of get more inset. You can tell already, that's really pretty. So the next thing I'm going to show you is you can just put this on and go for the day and don't do anything else. It's the Dew Skin. It has your tinted moisturizer with SPF. SPF 20. It uses non-nano SPF. So this is a lot more concentrate. This is pure. It's safe for the coral reef. It's sustainable. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on, and I just got this new shade. This is a medium. So I was using a little bit lighter, but you can see it's going to give me a little glow, and this will give you a nice dewy look. You can put it right over that concealer, and then with your fingers, or you can use your better blender, and this is really nice too. You just dot it in, blend it in as much as you can. Make sure you go underneath your jawline so you don't have, you know, kind of that line going down. But this is actually Dew Skin. It's going to be, it's got hyaluronic acid in it. It's going to help your skin improve as you wear it. If you want, you go a little bit further and you can add in the Twin Skin. Twin Skin, I'm almost out of this. This is the medium 310, and I like a little of this. Sometimes I blend it in with the little bit darker Twin Skin, and this is the 350 actually, and I like them together, so I blend it in. And I'm going to dot this on so you can see if you want to wear both. Twin Skin is exactly that. It's twin skin. It's not really cakey or thick. It just glides on beautifully. Again, this has hyaluronic acid in it. It's going to help you as you wear it. You're going to feel like your skin is just glowing. It's very pretty. You won't know that you have makeup on, but what it does is it takes all those little like imperfections and smooths them out and gives your skin a nice healthy glow, and you just feel good when you're wearing it. I love this. This is the new foundation. It's Twin Skin. So those are 3 products I really recommend. Now if you want to go a little farther, this is the Beyond Gloss in Clove. Look how pretty this is. It is so pretty. I love that. Okay, going a little beyond, there's actually blusher. This is our cream blusher. This, I don't have it, but it also comes in a highlighter. And you can put the highlighter here, the blush here, and then we got a lot of instruction on how to do contouring. Contouring is just really great. I'm not going to show too much of that right now. I'm going to show just what I do. I'm going to put a little bit of, this is my everyday get up and go, and then I'm just going to blend in a little of this, okay? And then I really do love to add some sparkle shimmer above that sometimes. So if you want, you just put a little here. You can put a little on your chin, just a little nice glow, maybe a little right here. You can see that's really looking good. Then you can put just a little bit of glow, and this I'm almost out of. This is a highlighter. You can put the glow right up here and here, and that's really pretty too. That's kind of a nice touch. And I'm gonna show you, I really like this mascara. It's Thrive mascara, and I found this one on Facebook actually, but Thrive Cosmetics is natural, and I really enjoy their mascara. So I would probably put on just a little bit of eyeliner in a lighter tone, not too dark. This is the brown, and I would put it right on the lash line. And if you want, you can go inside where your lid is a little bit, but this is just for instructional purposes. I'm gonna do this. And then I'll add a little of my mascara. And this Thrive, watch this Thrive, it's so pretty. And this is hard to do on a camera. I'm doing okay. All right, thank you for watching, by the way. This is really fun and interesting to do it this way. So you can see right there, my eyes are a little bit more open. And then don't forget your eyebrows. I know that sometimes we forget that as you get older a little bit, your eyebrows get a little thinner. So you're gonna go in with an eyebrow pencil, and Beautycounter has great eyebrow pencils, and on the other side they have, whoops, this is the wrong one. This is the eyebrow pencil, because on the other side you have the little comb, okay? So you're gonna take the eyebrow pencil, and this one again is not black, but it's the brown. And right here you're gonna go where you're inside your eye, you wanna kind of pull it up and create little feather strokes. And then when you get up to the arch, you can kind of draw it in just a little bit and bring it down. And then you're gonna take this side and you're gonna go comb it up, kind of brush it in. If it goes too dark, you can kind of distribute the color a little bit better this way. Can you see this eye and this eye? This is a little bit more full. And then I'm gonna take the gel brow, and I'm gonna comb through it. This is wonderful too. So I'm gonna just take a little bit and fluff it up, comb it through, and there. Okay, so I have a much more of depth to my eyebrow, and it frames your eye. So anyways, I'm gonna do the other one now, but I'm gonna let you go. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I am here for you. I'm excited about all of this, and I can't wait to have you try some of it yourself, okay? Take care, bye-bye.